We are now on lesson 5. We spent time with the right hand for treble clef. Now we're doing the left hand for bass clef. Remember, the right hand was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the fingers, and thumbs are 1. So with the left hand, now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that direction. But with the right hand, we had C, D, E, F, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the bass clef, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for the same notes. So that's the only thing, that's one thing we have to be careful of. Now as we look at the music, the note, remember the notes are in a different space on the staff in the bass clef. So there's our G, which is finger number 1. That line is F, finger number 2. That space is E, finger number 3. That line is D, finger number 4. And that space is C, finger number 5. Now just focus on the letters of the notes rather than the numbers. The numbers are there just as a reference. So this is very similar to what we did with the right hand, where we're going to start with the G going down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C. The next line, now we're going to go up. Ready? Go. C, D, E, F, G, C, D, E, F, G. Third line will go down and then back up. Here we go. Ready? 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, F, G. So you're going to practice each line, and then you're going to play all 3 lines in a row, which we're going to do right now. 1, 2, ready, go. G, F, E, D, C, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, F, G, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, F, G. As we go to the next page, on page 17, now we have a song to play with those same notes. Our first note is C, the second space C, which is finger number 5. And then the fourth line is F, which is finger number 2. Then we go back down to E, and then back up to F. Then we have a G, skip down to D, and back up to G. Then look at this last part. F, E, D, E, F, just goes down and right back up. So here we go. First, let's say it. And, ready? Go. C, F, E, F, G, D, G, F, E, D, E, F. And the second line is the same thing. So let's start playing. 1, 2, 3, and C, F, E, F, G, D, G, F, E, D, E, F. C, F, E, F, G, D, G, F, E, D, E, F. When you're practicing, do it at your own speed, but then each time get a little faster so you're not thinking about one note at a time. I'm going to play the whole thing now without saying the notes. But since it's bass clef and you're reading things differently, absolutely keep saying the names of the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to go on right now in this lesson. We're basically combining the 2 lessons we had with the right hand and applying them to the bass clef with the left hand. These next 2 pages are the exact same thing we had with the right hand. So here we have our C. They give you the letter inside the note, and then they take the letters away. And you're just going up by steps. C, D, E, F, G, and back down, F, E, D, C. So we get our hand in C position. We start with C, which is down here. Keep saying the notes here, telling your fingers which keys to push down. 1, 2, 3, go. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. I'll play it again without me saying the notes. 2, 3, 4. And then we'll go to the next page. Again, same thing we had before. We were just playing C's, E's, and G's. But in this book, the C's, E's, and, well, I'm sorry, in bass clef, the C's, E's, and G's are on spaces. So let's say it right now. There's our C, and C, E, G, E, C, E, G, E, G, E, C. Let's play it. 1, 2, 3, and C, E, G, E, C, E, G, E, G, E, C. Once more without me saying it. 2, 3, 4. And then number 6 here is just D's and F's, just like we did with the right hand. But now the D is on the third line, F is on the fourth line. Say it. Ready? Go. D, F, D, F, F, D, D, F, D, F, D. Say it and play it. Ready? Go. D, F, D, F, F, D, D, F, D, F, D. I'll play it one more time. You keep saying it. 2, 3, 4. Alright, and we're going to keep going on. Number 7. We have our C, skip up to E, down to D, skip up to F, down to E, skip up to G, just like we did with the right hand. And I wrote in that next note so we can repeat that G to make it easier. So it's the same thing, just going down backwards. Okay, let's say it and play it. Ready? Go. C, E, D, F, E, G, G, E, F, D, E, C. And do that several times. And when you're practicing, you can just do it going up, practice that, and then practice going down before putting them together, just like we did with the right hand. Okay, I'm going to play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second line is just the same thing, only they switch the two parts. So you can practice doing that as well. And then number 8, it's real easy. 2 C's, 2 D's, 2 E's, 2 F's, 2 G's. Let's do that. Ready? Go. C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G. I'll play it one more time without saying the notes. Ready? Go. And that's the end of lesson number 5.